All right, shipment confirmed. Proceed to unloading bay.
You heard him. Bay 4, let's go. Keep the convoy moving.
Platform at 45 degrees, watch the chute. Clear cascade, keep it moving. The throughput on the second stage is increasing.
Yes, and the purity levels are stable at 99%.
Check the flow rate on the main channel. Stable. Purity levels are optimal for this batch. Traits. Additional filtration systems refine the extracted oil. Specialized equipment removes tiny impurity. The chromatography results look promising.
Yes, the purity exceeds the minimum threshold.
Check the pressure levels on tank 12. Confirmed. Levels are stable.
We need those drums loaded in Bay 4 immediately. I just scanned them. They are ready to go.
The camera follows trucks leaving the facility. Convoys head toward industrial customers nationwide. GPS systems monitor
Factories and industrial plants receive the oil. Female workers unload shipments efficiently. The product supports various manufacturing processes. Customers depend on reliable quality.